The first Sing Sensation Search. This is Tuminubo Idol. They have the guts and they have the power to invade Tuminubo. Meet our first Tuminubo Idol contestant.
Hi guys, I'm Raven L. Collante Jr., 17 years old. Nakatira po ako sa Iligan City here in Lanao del Norte. I'm here to audition. I want to be a singer someday, just like my mom. She's working now on abroad, an entertainer, and I'm so inspired of her because of her. I am striving hard to reach my dreams. She is my inspiration in life, and you know, my mom always told me that I should look best always. Yeah. And do you believe what they do come true? For that my dreams come true when I looked at you. And maybe two of you would believe you too might be overjoyed, over love, over me.
Good evening, I am John Reed from Iligan. Sumali pa ako dito sa Pinoy Idol. Baka dito ko makikita yung mga pangarap ko sa buhay. Kasi alam nyo, naiyan ako. gusto ko po talagang maging sikat na singer kagaya ni Regine. At siya po talaga yung idol ko, at siya po yung inspiration ko para makuha ko yung mga pangarap ko. In short, they can't say everything they want to say, trying to bring me down, but I will not allow anyone to succeed, hanging clouds over me, and they can't try how to make me feel that I don't matter at all, but I refuse to fall into what I believe, all the faith in my dreams. Rot.
Ako po si Mia Sandoval. Ako po ay sa labing pitong taong gulang. Bata pa lang po ako. Pangarap ko na talagang maging isang mga awit na panonoodin ng aking mga fans. Sumali po ako dito sa Pinoy Idol dahil ito na lang po ang aking last. Baby, my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Baby, our hearts will find a way. Only heaven knows. And all I can do is hope and pray, 'cause heaven knows.
Hi guys, by the way, I'm Richard. I'm from the city of Iligan. I was dreaming to at least expose what I have, at least give all my best to myself, and also sharing all my talent to everybody. I joined the Pinoy Idol so that at least for the people to know that I also got talent and I also can sing. So watch for me as my journey begins. So hope that you will also support me, and I I am always praying to God that He will support me to this endeavor. That's all, guys, and see you. These are the days we're given, and these are the moments, these are the times. Let's make the best out of our lives. And even if hope was shattered, I know it wouldn't matter. 'Cause these are the moments, these are the times. Let's make the best out of our lives.
Hi guys, I am Mac Elizar Lungake and I am 18 years old. I am from Iligan City. Sumali ako dito sa Pinoy Idol dahil gusto kong matulungan ng parents ko kasi naghihirap talaga kami, frankly speaking, naghihirap kami. Tapos gusto kong matulungan ang family ko, parents ko. Gusto kong makapagtapos ang pag-aaral ng mga kapatid ko. Kaya nakikita kong solusyon ang pagsali sa Pinoy Idol dahil malakas ang loob ko at naniniwala ako sa self-confidence ko at talento ko na makakaya kong harapin ang pagsubok sa buhay. Kaya yun ang masasabi